Because I live in village, I came from village. My parents' life was very difficult. The condition very hard. My dream was to improve their lives. With the smart cities principle, with the smart cities world, we can get this goal to be happen. I am Khaled Daher from Palestine. I am an electrical engineer. I work as railway installation general manager at CAF and also working a professor of ZIGURAT master in global smart cities management. I'm a smart global thought leader with Smart Cities Council. I choose ZIGURAT because it connects technology with real city challenges. The program is flexible, international, and full of professionals from all over the world. That's what makes learning exciting for everyone. It gives students new vision and tools to move into leadership roles or start new projects in smart cities and mobility. These masters change how I see cities and technologies. Now I think more about sustainability, people, citizens, and how every project can make life better. If someone hesitates and thinking about joining this master, go for it. It will change how you think, work, and see the future. You will grow as a person and as a professional. Finally, my dream to build a collaborative future in my area, in my region, because we have a big war to build win-win peace for everyone to live together, shake hands, and finish this war, to live in peace.